24. Run with wolves. From snowy peaks and midnight forests and across vast distances, wolves howl, not just to the moon spirit, but to communicate their location and to issue warnings. Wolves are fierce, loyal pack animals who are excellent at managing relationships that serve the greater good. Their packs function in a similar way to many human families. They rely on one another for food, safety, and shelter, knowing instinctively that there is strength in numbers. However, as in human families, it's not uncommon for one wolf to be aggressive towards another in the pack, or to separate from the group for a while. Occasionally, a wolf feels the need to seek a new pack and a new place to call home in order to thrive. Run with wolves commonly comes to you when you are questioning your relationships and interactions with others. As you become more aware of your emotional needs, you might find that familiar relationships, even those with family, no longer align with your soul. Additionally, this card could mean you have lost pieces of yourself and what is important to you, prioritizing the desires of others over your own. It may be time to consider whether or not you've been running with the wrong pack. Could it be time to strike out on your own into the wilderness to find something better? It could also mean that you must find your voice and lovingly create better boundaries in your relationships. Howl at the Moon Awakening Practice. In this powerful practice, you are invited to howl at the moon as the wolves do, opening your heart and wild spirit to release what you are holding on to that no longer serves you. It also clears the noise from the mind so that you can better receive guidance on any issue or situation. Stand tall, take a deep breath, and as you exhale from the mouth, sigh with an exaggerated sound. Do this 5 times, and on the 6th time, instead of howl. Repeat 2 more times and let loose. Move freely in flow with the energies. Be wild. Howl from deep inside of yourself.